So, alright. Well, it's been a long time since I have did a review on here, and who cares why I haven't been here. I just haven't been here. I've been waiting to do my nails so I could do it with you on camera, so this will be fun. It's called the Jodsone 60-piece gel nail polish kit with UV light base and matte glossy top coat, nail gel polish, soak off manicure accessory tools, suitable for all seasons. Basically, it's a gel nail kit. Comes with the light, comes with gel polish, of course, and it comes with all the tools. So let's open it up. How much did I pay for this bad boy? So the price of it was $39.99. I don't know, did I show the box? Comes in a cute little box. A little box like this. Everything's already out of it, so I just took everything out of it. So $39.99 comes in that box. Comes with the UV, the gel light, and 60 colors. That's one set of the colors, and then this is the other set of colors. They don't have names on them, but they have the numbers. They're identified by numbers. So all of these are B and then a number, and they have it right on the, I don't know if you can see it, if it's going to focus, but all of them have the identification number on the top of the nail lid. So like I said, this is B12, and it just goes B through probably 60, I'm sure. I'm going to put this on the screen, but there's different set colors to choose from. I don't know if this one has a specific name. I will link this one, the exact one that I purchased, down at the bottom. I purchased this one in particular just because I love the I love bright neon kind of colors, bright neons, baby pinks, baby blues, white, of course, and this had every color that I want, that I get on my nails when I go to the nail shop. There's other ones that have more fall colors, some that have more, the majority of them is neutral colors. So, and there's a bunch of them that you can choose from. That's how much it was. That's what it comes with. Let me show you what else it comes with. So the nails, well, I'm rushing. Ooh, slow down. I'm rushing because my baby is sleeping, and I'm trying to do this before he wakes up. Because like I said, I've been putting it off, but you know, who cares? It comes with 2 top coats and 2 base coats, and it comes with a matte top coat. This is the size of the bottle. They're little cute little things. But like I said, there's 60 colors, and the set was $40. So if it works the way I'm intending it to work, it's going to be worth it. Long lasting nails, please read the manual before operation. Okay, I'll do that. Here is the actual light. It comes with the adapter. Let's see how long this is. Is it gonna reach? Oh, I hope so. And then it comes with a filing thing. And in this, we have a bunch of stuff in here, so let me open this up with you all, because I didn't open it up yet. So it comes with a fingernail clipper. What are these things? UV discharge designed with, what is this? So it comes with these, I don't know what these are. Toe separators for your toes when you do your toes. Oh cute, oh cute, oh cute. It comes with French nail, oh this is cute. I didn't know it came with all this. Oh. It comes with nail tip guides and also gold designs. I didn't know it come with those. Okay, that's cute. I guess I probably wouldn't know if I would have read it. 5 little nail files. They're very coarse, very hard. It comes with the scrubber. The last thing that it comes with is watermelon cuticle revitalizer oil. Hey, let's do this. Let's read the instructions, because I don't want to not read the instructions, do it wrong, and then be mad because I do it wrong. That's not cool. All right. So first, all right, let me show you. So this is the long-lasting manicure tips that it comes with. First one, number 1, prep. Trim, file, buff, and clean nails for a clean, dry, and oil-free surface. Yes. Alright, so let me first do all that. Alright, let me clean my nails. Even though, wait, what is this? Is that what this is for? Let's open this and smell it. Environmental remover from now. Far away from me. I'm just going to show you what it has, and I'm going to just do it because the way this is positioned and all that, it's just going to be too much going back and forth. Nails are clean, nails are dry. Base. Apply a thin layer of base coat and cure under UV LED nail lamp for 45 to 60 seconds. Okay. So it has on and off, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. This told me to do it for, what did it say? Blah, blah, blah. Nail lamp for 40 to 65 seconds. Whatever. So I guess, okay, I'm just going to do 60 because there's not even, okay, it's weird. Here's my base coat. Okay, turned it on. It came on easy. It's easier for me to do, hold it up like this. Is it? No, it's not. Ah, now we just did the first base coat. I'm gonna put this under here for, I'm just gonna do 60 seconds. So I did my base coat. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It just cleared. Close my base coat. Keep it nice and neat in my salon. Step number 3, apply color gel and cure for 45 to 60 seconds. Color gel needs to be applied 2 to 3 times and cured. I'll do 3. I guess we'll see because I might not need 3. So I'll do at least 2, see how it looks, and then possibly 3. What color do I want to do? The color that I'm going to do, B19. Oh, I'm trying to think when I got my nails done, is it still sticky after the first one? Alright, so my fingernails are still sticky. I can't recall, I mean, I don't know if when I get my nails done, if after the first coat it's still sticky or not. Actually, I think, I don't know. Alright, so I don't know if I should keep it under for longer. Actually, I'm going to look it up. Hey Siri, should my nail be dry or sticky after the first coat when applying gel polish? Here we go. Gel nails are sticky. What's the reason? We've all been there. You're fresh, blah, blah, blah. Additional 30, 60 seconds to ensure. So I cured it for an additional 30 seconds and it's not as sticky. So I'm just going to go in with the polish now and see what happens. So my problem before was I think that I made the polish too thick and it didn't cure long enough, so now I'm going to try to make it thinner. I just completed the first coat. It looks a mess, but I'm going to cure it and see what happens. I think I did better this time as far as the thickness of the coat because it's not sticky this time. Granted, it looks horrible, but let's keep going. I did my second coat. It looks cute, looks good from far away. Up close, not as cute. I'm not gonna do a third coat just because I'm tired of doing this. I'm gonna do 30 more seconds just to make sure that this is completely cured, not sticky, and do a top coat. So I'm just gonna do regular top coat. Apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Yes, Bob. Are you hungry?
Yes.
I just got done finishing my nails. I did the base coat, like I said, 2 layers of the regular polish and the top coat, and they turned out so cute. Like, going to the nail salon, this would be, ew. Do I like my lipstick?
Yeah.
I do? Alright, sit down, please.
My daddy.
You can. It's crazy because this would cost like $25 just to get Joe painted at the nail salon, and really they don't even do that much better of a job than I did. I mean, and it was my first time doing it. I'll show you how it looks, but and you can't even tell how nice the color's really bright, but you just can't tell. I'll take a picture and you'll be able to tell better. There's other tips underneath those steps 1 through 4, which I thought just were additional steps. So I'm going to tell you what it says. The first tips are common sense. So this says the base coat will be sticky after curing. Please do not wipe it. So having it be sticky is normal. It's fine. When coloring, use a brush to wipe off the excess before coloring. So I'm assuming that's saying if you get color on your nail, wipe it off before coloring it some more. I don't know, that wording's weird. It's normal for the gel to have a sticky feeling after curing, and it needs to be sealed with a top coat. These are just little tips that I wish I would have read ahead of time, because all my questions about it being sticky and stuff would have been answered. But no worries, it turned out great. It's not sticky anymore. That's it. This set is great. The set was, like I said, $40. If I was to go, I'm not done. If I was to go to the nail salon, it would have cost that much money, and I have 60 colors to choose from. So the last step is just the cuticle oil, which you don't have to do, but it's good for your nails, and it always makes a pedicure look nice at the end. So if you like this video, you want to see more videos like this from me, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment below. If you have a nail set like this, if you plan on purchasing one, yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe.
We done?